KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car break down, you know to call. If your car break down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Hello viewer, good morning. KG Auto. We're back again. Thanks for tuning in. What do we have here is a 2015 Buick Encore. It's a 1.4 liter. This vehicle has the same engine with Chevy Sonic. They're all the same engine. I even believe Chevy Cruze. They'll have that 1.4 liter. Well, I've already diagnosed this car. There's a code talking about the VVT solenoid. That's what we're going to be replacing on this vehicle. And those solenoid is not something I just want to talk about to elaborate on it a little bit. Those solenoid, they are not something that really, go bad. But most of the time, people don't change their oil. When you don't change your oil in time, when the oil becomes very black, it affects those VVT. That's what happened in this case. The oil, when the man brought it, I checked the oil was very black. When I mean black, overdue. Supposed to have changed it for a long time, didn't change it. So those things, when they lack, they suffocate. When there's not enough oil too, they seem to suffocate. It's just like if you don't drink enough water, dehydration, all of that, So the same way vehicles suffer too when you don't give them the right thing. There's not enough antifreeze on it, engine overheat, not enough oil, vehicles start acting funny. That's what we're going to be doing on this car. He bought already some solenoid that we're going to be replacing. This is the solenoid that I bought. Please don't hold me to it. I just installed. That's from AutoZone. He bought it. I didn't buy it. That's the part number there. He used 2 solenoid. We're going to be replacing the 2. This is the way it looks like. Just right here. That's the way it looks like. And it has this connector. Let me bring the other one. They both look alike. Those look like. So it's fairly easy. Not a big job to change. Let me flip the camera around. KG, I'm a little under the weather. Please bear with me. So the solenoid is gonna be right down here, right here. So we're gonna take off this air box to get to it. So let me go ahead and take off this air box and we'll start working. KG, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So I've already changed the oil in this car, because that was where the problem generated from. So if you don't want to have a problem, make sure you change your oil in time and keep your vehicle running for a long, good time. So make sure you do that. I'm going to take off this air box so that we have room to work. Put that aside, and I'm going to take off this. This one has a screw here. I have a 2-star screw there. We'll take off that and see right there. And take off there. Holding the camera with my one hand. Let me undo that and I will bring you guys back. Come to think about it, I didn't even have to undo that. I just pull it, bring out the whole thing. So there's no point of losing it, because if you lose this, you're still going to take off that. So I just pull it out completely, which I believe is the best thing, the best way to go. Yep, that's it right there. So when you look right down here, you can see right there. So it's fairly easy to change. It has so if you have, maybe this might be like a E12 or something. But if you don't have that, you can use a 10 socket to lose it. We'll lose this one, and lose that, and undo this this right here like so. Take off the connector. And take off this. Sorry if my head is blocking it. All right. So let me take off that and then get a. That's it right there. Take off this. So you just put like just put a screwdriver right, the flathead right beneath it right there, and it come out easily. So I believe 10, like I said, let me get a 10 socket. I believe it can do that. So this is a what is that? The E12. Let me see if it's too big or it's gonna fit. Yeah, that one is too big. So it's gonna be E10. Yeah, there's an E10. So it fits very well. So let me see if 10 is gonna fit. Or maybe 8. Let's try 8. I just wanted to make sure like if you don't. So let's try the 8 socket services. See? So supposing you don't have the E10, you can still use this. That's what I was just trying to make sure that it goes in properly. You can still use that. So you don't have no problem. If you don't have this E10, don't worry. Be happy. You can still do it. So let's go ahead and take off this now. Like I said, it's just 2 bolts. I hope you can see. I don't know if you can see here. You can see. That's 2 bolts. Okay, you need a cameraman. Keep that bolt there. You don't want to lose it. I don't know if there's any difference on this VVT. We're gonna see when we bring it up. Then you just pry it like so, and it'll come out. See how it's dried, So sometimes this thing tends to suffocate because there's no oil on it, Yep. Because this vehicle, they put another engine on it. So let me just see if they're both the same, if there's big or small. Okay, this one goes like this. So it has the same angle. Let's see the other one. Let's see, there might be different. I believe this one is facing down. This one is facing down. Look like they're the same. This one is still facing down. So I don't know. Let me see the part number to see if the part number if it's different. I don't even know. The part number is kind of weird though. It's 44, whatever. I don't know. Anyway, this one have a big double O-ring. Yep. Yeah. So they don't look different to me. Let me try to put it there, then I will know. If it didn't fit, then we'll know that is not the right one. But I didn't see no difference. Yeah, good morning, KGR. Yeah, how you doing? Everybody's good. Yeah, we'll be here. Oh, I believe so. No problem. All right, brother. I'll see you. All right, take care. Bye. Yeah. Sorry about that. You see the way this one sound? You can barely hear it. Look at this one. See? So that's the way it's supposed to be. Not like you just hear it. So like I said, lack of oil tend to suffocate those things. Because this thing inside move around. When the oil goes in, lubricate it. You can hear it. You can see the way this pulling out. You see? Look at this one. It pull out very slowly and you can't hear it like that. So let me go ahead and put it in and see if it fits. We know we're on the right side. Okay. Doesn't go like that. See if it go like this. I just want to see. Let me see the other one. Want to make sure that we have the right one there. Yep, that was the way it was. Yeah, like so. It wasn't facing down. Because if you face down, face the other side. So it goes like this. Yeah, I was right. So we just put it like so. And put the boat. So this car should be happy now. If I show you the oil that I changed on it, you really know that the car was really like it was crying. There are some cars that be crying like, change this oil. I can't breathe. That's KG Virgin. Change this oil. I can't breathe. Should have brought my gun. Make my job a little faster this morning. I'm gonna wash that connector there. There tend to be some little oil on it. If I have a choice, I wouldn't buy this from AutoZone, but because this thing, the electrical compartment. So, what can I say? So I do believe they have left and right, because when you look at the fitting of that, because when you look at this one is facing down. Hope they didn't give me the same. Alright, turn it like so. Bring it out. See? You can't even hear this one. Can't even hear it. You cannot even hear nothing. The thing is dry, no oil. Please change your oil, like I said. Very important. Change your oil and save your car life. The car will be happy. Hear it? Can you hear that? Can you hear that? You can't make this up. Come on. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. You can't make this up, brothers and sisters. You hear it? Nothing. You hear it? This is not a magic. It's not an African movie.
Look at it. It's a cool.
This is not an African movie, man. This is life. Coming from KG. We'll put that boat there now. I'll clean up that connector. Then we'll start this car. This car should be happy. The VVT should be happy. Everything should be happy. Like, take care of your car take care of you. If you don't take care of your car, it's going to leave you in the side of the street. Yeah. That's what happened. Because the owner of this car told me that they put an engine on this car. So I don't know what happened to the other engine. So probably they didn't take care of it. That was why the engine blew or something. So I'm going to warn him too. Even doing this one, you have to make sure you change your oil. You can't just ignore it. You're going to get into trouble. So I don't use torque, but when you tie it with your hand, you should know when something is. That's the way I do my thing. All right, so everybody saw it. You guys saw it. So I'm going to clean up this thing now because there's some oil on it. See? Some oil on that. This one is a little bit okay. I'll just wash it out so that the connector will work very well. All right, KG, stay tuned. So that's it. When you put this thing in, just make sure you push this. There's a safety pin there. You push it in so the thing will clip good. And like I said before, I changed the oil. See, the oil is fresh now. Fresh oil. So if you give the car what he wants, the car will be ready to serve you. See, fresh. So we're just going to put back this air box. Like I said, you don't need to really lose anything here. Just drag out the whole thing. And I'll put this one back like so. Sorry if my big head is covering the camera. I always laugh at myself. As the Bible says, laughter is a good medicine. Yeah, nothing. I didn't see nothing on it.
Nothing?
Nope. Everything is good.
What happened for the light?
The light went off by himself too. The light go off. Yeah. The battery is good. I test the battery is good. And the light went off by himself.
How much, Mr. Light?
Yeah, just give us $20. Everything is good. So we're gonna put this one here, right? So put this one back here. This something is broken or something.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
So the engine, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, everything is okay,
Let's
brother.
now.
No. All right, so that will be basically it on this video. Everything is back on. So when next time you need to change this, you know what to do. Please support your boy. Subscribe, and if any question, comments, please do not hesitate. We are here to help each other. I will see you on my next episode. KG signing off. Peace. We are gone.